Let's go. What's good, loyal gang? And we back in this thing with another video. So what we eating today? Oh, we eating spaghetti? This your favorite? Yeah. Ooh, and we got some garlic bread. Oh, and we got that chicken. This your favorite chicken, ain't it? Oh, yeah. So we got the garlic chicken, we got garlic bread, and we got the spaghetti, which is her favorite. So I'm going to put the spaghetti on your plate, but I'm going to chop it up, okay? Okay. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get your thing. So we're going to go right into it. We're going to go ahead and eat. Okay. All right, so I'm going to chop it up for you. All right. I ain't sharing with you? I am sharing. I was trying to chop it up for you. Mm-hmm. You want chicken? Yeah, chicken. You want chicken? You want to bite that skin right, girl? Yeah. Bite that. See, tell me how it tastes. Why you always go for the back end? Is it good? Ooh, what it taste like? Oh, it do? It tastes like honey? It's honey. Oh, is it real good? Let me try it. That's real good. Oh, yeah? You got honey on it? Oh, that's real good. Let's try it with the spaghetti. Want to try the spaghetti? Yeah, try the spaghetti out. That's real good. I'll move a little bit closer for you. How that taste? Ooh, it tastes like spaghetti. Then when you mix it. Oh? Yeah? Honey melt. Yep, that's honey melt chicken. So all you gotta do, you gotta get like this, and you gotta bite it. I know. It's really good though. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell her. It's a lot of honey on there, so when you eat it like that, it's gonna bring that flavor out. Yeah, because it's like when you bite that, it reminds you of the macaroni. Yeah, you know, sometimes I have to try to mix it up. You know what I'm saying? Try to switch it up for you, so it ain't always the macaroni. Right. That's not it. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I was like, we gotta switch it up. Like, it's just the same type of food we eating. So I was like, we gotta switch it up, Rick, so we don't get, you know, it don't get overwhelming when we eating the same type of food. I love my chicken. It's got the honey garlic. That thing good. The skin is like the best part. They got that garlic all up in it. Right, because I think the last time we got this chicken, it was spicy. Yeah, I think it was spicy the last time we got it. Yeah, so I was like, you know what? I'll make sure this time when I order it, it's going to be the one that's not spicy. We're going to have extra garlic and extra honey on it. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. We got the good one now. Oh my God. There you go. Bite it and rotate it. Mmm. That's how you do it. Let's get some of this spaghetti. Mmm.
Let's try spaghetti.
Mm-hmm. Let's try that spaghetti. You got it?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Mmm. Big girl bite. Mm. You want to taste the garlic bread?
Hmm?
You want to taste some of this garlic bread? Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. Taste that right there. Tell me how you taste it. Tell me how it tastes. There you go. Mmm. How it tastes? It's good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's hot.
It's a little hot? Oh, okay. Okay, you want more chicken? Okay. So she want to substitute the chicken out for the bread. No. You want to substitute the bread out for the chicken? Yeah. Okay. Mmm. I'm doing my first piece. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. You got it? Mmm. Good job. Mmm. That's how you do it. You rub your hands out like this? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Spaghetti and chicken. There you go. Get it up in there. There you go. Good job. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and get your chicken. There you go. Get a little bit of your chicken and a little bit of your spaghetti. You're going to mix it together like that. Mm. I'm going to do the garlic bread. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Really? Make sure you don't bite your tongue. Okay, just making sure. You ain't gotta eat it fast. The last time you bit your tongue. Mmm. Hmm? What's that? That's a piece of the bread? Mmm. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna place it right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You go back for your chicken? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm eating it. I got it right here.
Right here.
Right here. You ready?
Alright, this.
Let's go. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. See, that thing good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So what else had happened? Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's ridiculous. Oh, she did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I'm going to have to talk to her because I didn't know she did all that.
I know. My dad.
Oh, no, yeah. We're going to talk to her. She wasn't supposed to do that.
No, That's not all my child.
Mm-hmm.
That's my child.
Yeah, that's yourself.
It's part of free.
Oh, she hit you?
Yeah.
Oh, no, we ain't gonna have that. I gotta talk to her.
No, she's not on it.
Yeah, so what did you tell her when she did that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, you gotta say, next time you don't hit me.
I know.
Yeah, that's what you gotta tell her. You're like, you don't hit me.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Hmm?
That's Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you go ahead and eat it. Go ahead and bite it. There you go. There you go. Go ahead and bite it like that. Mm.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. Oh, man. My daddy done waited so late, so long to eat. I'm getting full. Yeah. Yeah, my tummy's starting to hurt. Mm.
Oh, that hurt.
Yeah.
Stop, Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Daddy done waited so late to eat. I went the whole day without eating. So now that I'm eating. Hmm? Yeah, I'm getting full. I'm trying to take about 3 or 4 more bites. Oh, can't go on lift up Daddy's shirt. Yeah. I'm just on I'm gonna take some medicine. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna take some medicine so my stomach don't be hurting no more. You see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna get some medicine and I'm gonna get a Band-Aid. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put a Band-Aid on my stomach. Yeah, I gotta put it on my stomach. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I gotta go to the doctor. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm trying to tell her I gotta go to the doctor because my stomach hurt. Because I waited too late to eat. That's what it was. That's you. Yeah, that's you and me. Uh-huh. It's a who? That's you and me. We talking to our family. We talking to our family out there. Well, it's our virtual family.
It's not Mommy.
That's not mommy?
It's not Mommy.
Yeah, I know it ain't mommy.
It's not Mommy.
I know that.
Honey, I got honey.
You got some honey?
Yeah. Mommy and my honey.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy and my honey.
Oh, she got your honey?
Mommy and my honey.
Oh, okay.
Oh no.
What?
Oh, it's not funny.
It ain't funny?
That's not funny.
Oh, something fell?
What's it? I taught Mommy.
Oh, okay.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah.
No, Nanny.
What?
No, poop.
Oh, yeah, poop?
No, poop.
Yeah. You know, I'm trying to figure out what had poop.
I know her.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
That's mine.
That you gonna say that for Maya?
No, mine.
Oh, yeah, your string on the shirt. Got a little string on there.
Not mine, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. That's the bow.
Mom?
Yeah, we're gonna put the string back down. Mm-hmm.
No.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Yeah, we say I might have bread. We'll split it for them.
That's mine.
Oh, that's yours?
That's mine.
Oh, you don't want to split it? No, I thought you wanted to share it. You want to share it? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna save it for them.
Nanny.
Hmm?
Dad.
Huh?
Dad.
Oh, you want some of my spaghetti?
Nana.
Mm-hmm. What? Oh, you just take it over my plate, huh?
I got it.
Oh, yeah, I see. You got it.
What's it?
Oh, you getting some more?
I guess more.
Oh, that's what we're doing.
I
Oh, okay. Oh, you needed some more meat. Mm. Okay. Ah. Yeah, get some water to rinse that down. You need some more water? There you go. Oh no. Mmm. Oh, that's real good. Mm-hmm.
Oh no, Daddy.
Hmm?
No.
What was that? Is that some food?
That's a food.
Oh.
Daddy.
Hmm?
Listen. I want chicken.
Okay, you get the chicken. Go ahead and eat the chicken. Alright. Daddy is full. Mmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Alright. Daddy full. You gonna end the video? You full too? Yeah, if you full, you ain't gotta eat no more. You ain't gotta eat no more. Yeah, just go ahead and put it down. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. As you can see, Lily was talking through the whole video. Good job. Look at that. So if y'all want to see more videos like that, you know, hit the like button, turn your post notifications on so you not miss a video from us. And you gonna say bye? Yeah, tell them bye. Huh? 3, 3. Oh, well, you said loyal, gay, loyal, gay, loyal, gay. Hey!